Hello everyone, welcome back to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add topics and add content inside your Class Hub using GMind AI. 1. Adding a new topic. First, click on Add Topic. Next, click on Add New Topic. You'll be asked to set up your topic details before adding any content. Topic name. For this example, let's use mathematics. Once you type it in, click Create New Topic. You'll see a message, Topic Added Successfully. And just like that, mathematics has been added. 2. Adding content to your topic. Now, let's add some content. Click on Add Content. For now, there are no files or folders, so let's start by adding notes. Click on Notes, scroll down, and click Add Content. You can either write the note yourself or use GMind AI. For this demonstration, we're going to use GMind AI. 3. Using GMind AI to generate notes. Click on Use GMind AI. You'll see different prompt frameworks. This helps GMind know exactly what type of content to generate. Choose your preferred framework and click Continue. Here's what to fill in. Who should GMind assist as? Let's choose a 10-year-old student. Objective, to teach the concept of fractions. Learner level, ages 10 to 11. Execution details. Choose how the output should be delivered. For example, use simple English, use sample sentences, use lesson book style. Click Continue, and GMind AI begins generating your note. 4. Reviewing and adding your note. As you can see, GMind has created your note. Introduction to fractions. What are fractions? Examples. Explanation. This doesn't mean you are done yet. It just means you want to move forward. Now click Add My Amazing Note to Content. Next, give the note a title. For example, Fractions. Finally, save it, and you can now see your note added under your topic. And that's it. That is how you add a new topic, generate and add a note using GMind AI, attach the note successfully to your content. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy GMind AI, powered by GoToCourse.